Gudi. 6:15 to 1 a.m., 6 p.m. to 8:15. That's the puja, and this is the Garbhagudi. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Lakshmi Nandan Kamath and welcome to a new video. If you're new here, please do subscribe and join my YouTube journey. Today is Mulki's Pejje Javan and we are going there. Mulki Venkatramana Temple. So November 4th was Mulki's Vanabhojana. So it's once in a year the temple's idol that Hindu Madhav Distana. Yeah, so temples, Bindu, idol. There are three idols, main idols in Mulki Venkatramana temple. That is, one is Bindu Madhava, one is Ugra Narasimha, and one is Venkatramana. So this Utsava Murti is Bindu Madhava. So that idol, that god goes to sit in the Vana is forest. So there god is taken in procession, and their forest premises we are served with great dinner. That's the temple feast. And then next day is Kartik Purnav. That is Kartik Hunnime. So there, that is also a very famous occasion where there is great temple feast and then amazing Anna Prasada. And then today is November 6th, 7th. Today is November 6th and today is Pejje Javan. Paj is basically rice porridge. It's a special kind of delicacy here in the south coastal side where, it's comfort food. When you're sick, when you're not doing good or when you're feeling, it feels good. Your day starts with paj. So, ganji uta. So that's how it is. And here today it's a very sad day apparently it seems because the temple's Paryava is being shifted to another priest. So that's why it's like not a very happy occasion. So, but for others, it is a happy occasion to eat. So, today is Pejje Javan where they serve rice porridge and two types of curries. So, that's a special delicacy. And also, not every temple here in our Udupi Mangalore side serves this kind of, Pejje Javan. Evening there is Vokli Utsava. So that is playing with colors. God is taken out again on a procession and there colored water, like how you say holy, So that is where the God is, taken in a happy Utsav and people around enjoy. And again in the night there is Javan Kimon, Oh, in the night there is again Javan. That is again feast. That is by the new Purohit who takes over the temple for next 2 years. Sometimes 1 year, sometimes 2 years. That's his management. So that new priest, he puts again a temple feast today in the night. So there is like from last 2-3 days, the entire town, the entire place, Mulki is having great feast. Everybody is having great lunch and dinner from last 2-3 days. So we are on the way. This Pejje Javan is in the afternoon and Vanabhojana, everything is in the night. Vanabhojana, Kartik Purnav, all those Javan is in the night. And yeah, we are on the way. That's Kirtanakka and that is Ammalekka Vandana Naik, who's my father's sister. And here hiding is Ganesh Mom. This is the beautiful Mulki Venkatramana temple. This place is also called as Volalanke. Volalanka name comes from the Purana of Ramayana. When Hanumanji was taking Sanjeevani booty back, he thought this place was so beautiful like Lanka because it is near the ocean. He mistook it for Lanka and began to descend down. But then it was not Lanka and hence the name not Lanka, Volalanka. And the name Mulki comes from Molikapura, where Molika means medicinal herbs. The area had lot of medicinal herbs, and Lord Narasimha, Ugra Narasimha in this temple is called Volalanka Disha. So Lord Ugra Narasimha's temples are very rare in India, very few of them, and Mulki Venkatramana temple is one such temple. My father was born and brought up in Mulki, and through him I consider myself very, very lucky to be associated with Mulki. What you're seeing now is the main Garbhagudi of the temple. Taking photo video inside the temple premises is prohibited. After taking the god's darshan, we headed towards the Bhojan Shala for the amazing Pejje Javan. Mostly all Venkataraman temples have Rathotsava and Kartik Punnav, but Mulki Venkataraman temple has a very prominent celebration called Pratishta Hunnime, which happens generally every year in December. And the Rathotsava happens in April and Kartik Punnav happens in November. The most famous one you have to attend is Pratishta Punnav Pratishta Hunnime celebration, which happens in December. This year it's on December 4th, 2025. It is the only day where Ugra Narasimha's idol is taken out of the Garbhagudi, and entire day there is Abhisheka offered to the Lord, and then there is amazing celebration and feast, temple feast, Annaprasada at night, and the entire night there is utsav and many more celebrations. So if you are in and around Udupi, Mulki, Mangalore, or anywhere near Karnataka, do make sure you visit Mulki Venkatram temple on December 4th and take Lord Ugra Narasimha's blessings on Pratishta Punnav. The red thing that you see on the banana leaf is called ambada nonche. It is pickle. And then this is rice porridge called paj. And what just was being served was koddel, that has, this is wild fig called rumbad. And then there is banana stem called gabbo. And then there is magge, that is Mangalore cucumber, and then there is kook, which is called Chinese potato, and also bhaji, then too, that is spinach stem. So many vegetables are put in it and it tastes heavenly, and then you eat it with the ganji. This combination is heavenly. There is no godshe or paisa at the end of the lunch on Pejje Javan day. So then we thought, let's buy ourselves cone ice cream, and we ate godshe on our own behalf. Please hit that like button and support me. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like these. And then also hit that hype button and hype me your girl Lakshmi Kamal. Hey, wait, we are not done yet. Let me just quickly show you what I was wearing today. This is my sari of the day, all set to attend Mulki's Pejje Javan today. And here we go. This is what I'm wearing. Beautiful sari. Beautiful Batkal Mogare, Batkal Jasmine. This sari is what my husband gifted me on the Simanta. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link in the I button. You can watch it. This is my iconic blouse. I love it. I bought this material, blouse material from Geetanjali Silks, and I had stitched a blouse out of it. This blouse, I have worn it with so many different colored saris. It's a beautiful blouse. This material, I could not find it anywhere after that. If you find anywhere, please let me know. I also want to buy it. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If yes, please hit that like button. If you're new, please do subscribe, and do not forget to hype. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.